Transforming your space, the basics of a home makeover. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a very exciting topic: home makeovers. If you've ever wanted to change up your living space, this video is for you. We'll explore what a home makeover is and how it can transform your house into a home that reflects your style and needs. A home makeover is a process of renovating or redecorating one's home. It can be as simple as painting walls and changing curtains, or as complex as knocking down walls and installing new fixtures. The goal is to refresh the space and make it more functional and appealing to the inhabitants. People choose to do a home makeover for various reasons. It could be to update an outdated style, to make the home more functional for a changing family, or even to increase the property value. Understanding your motivation will help guide the makeover process. Planning is crucial for a successful home makeover. You'll need to set a budget, decide on the style and theme, and create a timeline. It's also essential to determine whether you'll need professional help for certain tasks. Here, we'll share some tips and tricks for a smooth makeover. From choosing a color scheme to maximizing your space, we'll cover the basics to help you make informed decisions. Remember, even small changes can make a significant impact. Should you grab a paintbrush and do it yourself, or is it better to call in the pros? We'll discuss the pros and cons of each approach and help you decide what's best for your situation and skills. We hope this video has inspired you to start your own home makeover journey. Remember, whether you're doing a minor refresh or a major renovation, the goal is to create a space that you love and that serves your needs. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on transforming your home and mastering the English language.